Let's first read the question. The temperature in Toledo is 58 degrees Fahrenheit and the temperature in Amsterdam is 13 degrees centigrade. We have to compare the temperatures of the two cities, and in order to compare the temperatures, we have to make sure that the two measurements are in the same units. Notice that one of the measurements is in degrees Fahrenheit and the other is in degrees centigrade. So we have to use the conversion equation, and this is again in the handout. So let me write down the conversion equation. It's C over 100 is equal to F minus 32 divided by 180. So we either convert the Toledo temperature from degrees Fahrenheit to degrees centigrade, or convert the Amsterdam temperature to from degrees centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit. So let's try to do that. So that way our units are the same, units of measurement are the same. So we need to convert 13 degrees centigrade to degrees Fahrenheit. So in centigrade, the temperature is 13. So C equals 13. Let's write that down. Over 100 is equal to F minus 32 over 180. Now, we need to solve the equation, and the unknown in the equation is F. We need to solve for F, and that will give us the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. So let's solve this equation by cross multiplication. So when we cross multiply, we get 13 times 180 is equal to 100 times F minus 32. Now we have to get F by itself. So first, let us get rid of the 100 on the right hand side by dividing both sides by 100. So that cancels the hundreds, and now we are left with F minus 32, which is equal to 13 times 180 over 100. Now we add 32 on both sides to get rid of the 32. Remember, we're trying to solve for F. So that leaves us with F equals 13 times 180 divided by 100 plus 32. So when you enter numbers into your calculator, enter this first and then add the 32, and that gives us 55.4 equals F. So what that tells us is 13 degrees centigrade is equal to 55.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Now remember, this is the temperature in Amsterdam, and the temperature in Toledo is 58 degrees Fahrenheit. So Toledo, the temperature in Toledo is slightly warmer than the temperature in Amsterdam.